Ladies and gentlemen and programmers, we're going to do part 4 of lesson 5, the piano, and we're going to learn how to add keys to the world programmatically. We're going to use a constructor to do it, and the idea is we're going to keep working towards making each key different. All right, so if we go like this, then this thing pops up, super annoying. You have to type in the key and the sound file for every key you put in. Super annoying to do it by hand. So what do we need to do instead? Well, you need to do it programmatically. We're going to use the code to do it instead of doing it by hand. Okay, so what we're going to do is open up the world class. Okay, so everybody, you're going to go to the piano world, and the first thing we're going to do is we have this thing called make 3 keys, and I'm going to hit F8 on that so we don't ask it to do that anymore. Okay, so when we come back, it doesn't put in the 3 keys. And what I want you to do is make a method called make white keys, and I want you to use this code right here. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write this code like this. Oh, I hate when it does that. Okay, so we're going to write the code like this: add object new key. Right up here, if we wanted to actually do it, we're going to ask it to do it in the piano's constructor, make white keys, right? But it gives us an error message. What's the error message? It says the constructor in the key class cannot be applied to the given types. It requires a java.language.string and a java.language.string. What does that mean? And by the way, we're in the piano class, and it's saying, hey, there's an error in the key class because this thing right here is talking to the key class. It's saying, hey, make a brand new key. And the problem is this. If you look in the key, oh, I just closed it. I hate when I do that. If you look in the key, in the constructor, which is a special method that runs once when you first try to make one, right? So this says, hey, I'll make you one, but you have to send me the key name and the sound file, right? It's just like this thing right here. You can't make one until you send it the key name and the sound file, right? So what do? Write this down. If you have an error message, write it down. What 2 things do we need to send to the key class when it's being built? The key and the sound, key name, sound file. All right, so how do we fix that? We add in the G and the 3a.wave. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the piano. We're going to go to our new method we just wrote called make white keys. And right here, we're going to press Control V. We're going to send it the key and the sound, and now it's quite happy. Okay, and if we look at it over here,